Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to delete your REDnote account easy and quick. So open your REDnote like this. It will open directly on your home page. Click here on this menu and go to the settings. So when you click on the settings, you will go directly to the settings page. Click here on general or account security settings. Right now you're gonna find this list, go to account cancellation, click on it, and right now it will take you to this page. Check that is your real number. Click here to send you verification code. Right now they will send you verification code. Right now they sent me a verification code on my WhatsApp on my number. I write it here. Now click here, and right now it will give you these things on Chinese. You just have to click on this. Click here guys, and click here, and after this your account will be deleted. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe.